Hello, how to evaluate with a calculator? This is 16 power 6 minus 16 power 5. So we can express this 6 as summation of 5 and 1. This is 16 power 5 plus 1 minus 16 power 5. Now, if you have x power a plus b equals x power a times x power b. So this is 16 power 5 times 16 power 1 minus 16 power 5. From here, we factor out 16 power 5. This divides 16 power 5, that is 16. Minus 16 power 5 divides 16 power 5. We have 1. So this will give us 16 power 5 times 16 minus 1. That is 15. So right now, there is 16 here. I can express it as 2 to the power 4. And this is raised to the power 5 times 15. We have x power n raised to the power of n. This equals x power n times n. So multiplying this out, we have 2 power 4 times 5. That is 20 times 15. Now, finding the value of 2 power 20, I can express it as 2 power 10 times 2. 2 power 20 is the same as 2 power 10 times 2 because 10 times 2 is 20 and times 15. Now, if you have a power n times n equals a power n or power n. Applying this right here, this is 2 power 10 raised to the power of 2 times 15. And 2 power 10 equals 1024 because 2 power 10 equals 2 power 5 times 2, which is 2 power 5 raised to the power of 2, and 2 power 5 is 32. This is 32 squared, so this will be 1024 or 2 times 15. Now this 1024 here, I can express it as 1000 plus 24 raised to the power of 2 times 15. To expand this, if you have a plus b raised to the power of 2, this equals a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab. This is my a, this is my b. So I apply that here. Of 1000 squared plus 24 squared plus 2 times 1000 times 24. And this multiplies 15. 1000 squared, that is 1 million. Plus 24 squared, that's 24 times 24. And 24 times 24 here. 4 times 4, 16, 6 over 1. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1. 9, 2 times 4. That is 8, 2 times 2, 4. We add up 6, this is 17. 7, this is 5, 5, 7, 6. Plus, this is 2000 times 24, that is 48,000. And this multiplies 15. So, what we have here is 1 million plus 576 plus 48,000. And this multiplies 15. If you add these three together, you have 1,048,000, 576, because 576 attached to this and attached to this, you have this, and this multiplies 15. So to get the final answer, I'll simply have 1, 0, 4, 8, 5, 7, 6 times 15. 5 times 6, that is 30. 0 carry over 3. 5 times 7, 35. 35 plus 3, that is 38. 8 carry over 3. 5 times 5, 25 plus 3, 28. 8 carry over 2. 5 times 8, 40. 40 plus 2, 42. 2 carry over 4. 5 times 4, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 4 carry over 2. 5 times 0, 0, 0 plus 2, we have 2. 5 times 1, we have 5. So we concentrate on 1. 1 times 6, 6. 1 times 7, 7. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 8, 8. 1 times 4. 1 times 0. And 1 times 1, we have 1. So you add up together. This is 0. This is 14. 4 carry over 1 atrium. This is 16. 6 carry over 1 atrium. This becomes 8. This is 12. 2 carry over 1 atrium. This becomes 7. This is 5. And this is 1. So this is 15,728,640. Now that means 16 to the power of 6 and 16 to the power of 5 equals 15,728,640. Also, if you express this as 2 power 4 raised to the power of 6 minus this is 2 power 4 raised to the power of 5, this will also give you the same, that is 15,728,640. And if you multiply this out using the index identity, that means 2 power 24 minus 2 power 20 will give you 15,728,640. And we have achieved this without the use of calculator, guys. So that is it. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you and goodbye.